Carnival cruise guests visiting the port of Amber Cove have the opportunity to experience all of the beauty and culture that the Dominican Republic has to offer, all packaged in an excursion that costs less than $60 a person. Come take a trip with us as we explore the mountain views and city sights of Amber Cove in the city of Puerto Plata.
Good morning. We've made it. Where are we? Do you remember? Amber Cove? Yeah.
Often, the cheaper excursions available for a port save your family money, but they fail to provide a fulfilling experience as the more expensive tours. Well, if you're sailing soon to Amber Cove aboard Carnival Cruise Line, we suggest you consider the Mountain Views and City Sights excursion, available for just $58 a person. Keep watching as we show you all the highlights this adventure has to offer, and be sure to comment below if you have any questions.
We are here in Amber Cove and we're going on the Mountain Views and City Sights today.
First time here in the Dominican Republic? Yes. Me too. You know why? Because I've never been in another country. Okay, today we are a family for more or less 4 hours and 3 seconds. How long we take to get to the top of the mountain? About 40 minutes and 3 seconds. And later, my family, when we get to the top of the mountain, we are going to the cable car station. Yeah, cable car. Amazing view to Puerto Plata City. And later, my family, we are going to around the statue of Jesus. But you can take some pictures around there. After the statue, we're going to have the walking tours for about 20 minutes. Yeah? I'm going to give you a bottle of water. Yeah? Bottle of water for the family. And later we are going to Puerto Plata City, Puerto Plata. We are going shopping in Puerto Plata too for about 20 minutes. Shopping. Kindergarten. So 3, 4, and 3 or 4 years old couple. You can see that. Oh, they are happy. When you see the children, they are very happy with the same family. To the right side of the flower here is a we are on top of the mountain, my family. Applause for our driver. Applause, we are coming, coming.
Cloud.
Okay, my family, normally we stay here more or less 1 hour, 1 hour, 10 minutes, and 3 seconds. Come a little bit closer, please. Firecracker. In this side, firecracker, we say, in the Dominican, we say like a cigarette flowers. That one is a croton, a lily morning or Indian cane, and the other one is bromelia. It is of the same family of pineapple plant. And that is lily flowers here. Have a look at the city. You can see there. Just a little bit because somebody is smoking in this way. Now we are about 800 meters high above sea level, 2,400 feet.
All right, Noodle.
You know who would hate this? Uncle Clifton.
You can see my family, Puerto Plata City. Now, before it's time to smoke again, you can take a picture. Sweet lemon family. You can smell it. Sweet lemon.
Ooh, yummy. Smell it. Ooh,
Yeah.
that's
In
delicious.
our country, we say, when that's
It's like lemonade.
we say limon, lime. When it's the
pretty
finger,
good.
we say limon.
Yeah, you can keep that as a souvenir.
Does anybody want to get married here? One more time. You have time to do it. All inclusive. You don't have to buy ring. No suit, yeah?
All right, let's get married.
Dominican Republic, yeah? All inclusive to get married one more time.
Perfect. Renew our vow.
If you want, all inclusive.
So after seeing the big Jesus statue and the view from the cable car area, we're gonna go on about a 20-minute walk here, they said, including this bridge that we saw when we first pulled up.
Yeah, behind the mountain there, your cruise ship. Behind the mountain, we can see that with power that way. See that way is Haiti, my family. Haiti.
Carnival Celebration. Behind those mountains right there.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Maybe they'll take us back, maybe not.
No turkey for me.
You can see the lagoon with the koi fish. And we have the taro, fresh water over there. If you want to go around there to have a look, no problem. You can go around there.
Look how many fish there are. All right, we're leaving the first part of the tour. We took the 20-minute walk through the rainforest. Lots of beautiful flowers, lots of beautiful foliage, lots of beautiful fauna, right? Fauna, is that the right word? We're gonna get back on our bus. We're gonna get some water, and then we're gonna go head into the city and check out some sights.
I think it's Laura.
Flora and fauna. There's birds, so there is fauna. Here's our bus.
You know that Presidente, it is a local beer. The best beer in our country. If you drink one, you want to drink the second one. We are going to travel to the Ocean Boulevard, my family in Puerto Plata City. Let's see the Madi Gras to Puerto Plata here. We have the Long Beach to the right side. Long Beach. Now this is the Ocean Boulevard, which is about 3.5 kilometers, my family. camera because we are going around the umbrella street. In this side, to the right side, umbrella.
Wow, look how beautiful.
Look at this, baby. Okay, my family, follow me, please. Follow family.
You gonna try it? Some loco chocolate? All right, take a bite. Just pick it up with your fingers. Is it good? Is it the best chocolate you've ever had? Fresh? They just made it?
Just enough sour, just enough.
Ooh, it's a good balance of bitter and sweet.
Mama Juana. Sweet, a little spice, a little strong on the finish. More of a liqueur than anything.
We're gonna try to
It's like a combination of cough syrup and cinnamon. It's good.
How's the chocolate? Pretty good. She ate all of our samples.
You're the president of Dominican Republic. Give it a try.
I'll do the first try. Very Dos Equis. It's really, it's very refreshing.
It was very cool up on that hill.
Hot
Down here
Yeah.
in the city square.
Okay, my family, now it is time to take a picture here. Get the screen open, no problem. When you're ready, I'm going to go film here this side.
So you want a bird on your arm? Okay.
Thank you. Hi, Birdie.
Our tour guide left us. We gotta go catch up with Pablo. He left his family. Huh? You want one? Okay.
All right.
Go tell her.
I don't know how much. All right, give her your $1. Well, flourish with your coconut. Thank you. You got it? Take a little sip. Tell me how it is.
Oh no.
What happened? How is it? It's kind of salty. It's a little salty. You want a little more? No? All right, Daddy's gonna try it. It's like a little saltwater spritzer.
Need some rum.
I have a question, my family. How was our driver? Great. Okay, what about the Montevilla City side with Grandpa Pablo? Everything's okay? Yeah. I I hope to see you again. Maybe the next time you come here to the Dominican Republic, yeah? Thank you very much, my family. Thank you for coming. Have a nice vacation.